In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mind map in Miro. If you're new to mind mapping or simply want to leverage Miro's platform to create dynamic and engaging diagrams, you're in the right place. We'll take you through each step to ensure you have all the tools you need to create a comprehensive mind map. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Miro's website at miro.com. This is where you'll be able to access all the mind mapping tools Miro has to offer. Once you are on the Miro homepage, the next step is to click on the login button. This can usually be found in the top right corner of the page. Simply click there and you'll be led to the sign in page. For signing in, you have the option to use your email or a Google account. If you're already registered, type in your email address or click on the Google account option to proceed. After entering your email, you'll find a button that says Continue with Email. Click on that to finalize your login process and navigate to your Miro dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, take a look at your existing boards. Click on the board that you'd like to use for your mind map, or if you prefer, you can create a new one. After selecting your board, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a plus button that enables you to add new elements. Click on this button to access additional features. In the search bar that appears, type in mind map. This will help you find Miro's mind mapping feature quickly and efficiently. If you plan to use this feature frequently, it's a good idea to pin it for easy access in the future. To do this, click on the pin icon next to the mind map option. Next, click on the mind map itself to bring it into focus. Choose a template that suits your needs from the options provided and simply add it to your board. Now comes the exciting part, customizing your mind map. You can add your own fields and information to tailor it specifically to your project or brainstorming needs. Miro makes it quite intuitive to modify the content, so don't hesitate to explore the customization options. Finally, to ensure that your mind map is both clear and visually appealing, you can arrange the position of the text by clicking and dragging them across the board. Arrange them in a way that makes sense for your workflow, and you'll be good to go. With these steps, you have created a fully functional mind map in Miro. As you become more comfortable with the platform, you'll discover that Miro offers a variety of other tools and features to enhance your projects. So start mind mapping and let your creativity take the lead.